Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's an absolute joy to be here with you today. In this video, we'll be talking about clutter and mental health. So, why should you care about decluttering? Well, I once knew a woman named Gina. Gina was brilliant, compassionate, and caring, but her life was a whirlwind of chaos. She had clutter in her home, her schedule was jam-packed, and she was constantly stressed. Gina's clutter was like a constant companion, a reminder of everything she needed to do, and it was driving her to the brink. She was overwhelmed, anxious, and struggling to find clarity. You see, clutter is about more than just the physical stuff in our lives. It's about the emotional and mental clutter. It can be a silent source of stress that drains our energy and leaves us feeling lost. Studies have shown that clutter increases cortisol, the stress hormone, in our bodies. When we declutter and organize, we're not just tidying up our physical space, but we're also decluttering our minds, consequently lowering cortisol. So, how do we start this journey towards mental clarity and reduce stress through decluttering? I've got some strategies and techniques for you. First, let's begin with your physical space. Start small. It's essential to start small. Pick a corner, a drawer, or even a single room. When you declutter in manageable chunks, it feels less overwhelming. Keep, donate, toss. When you go through your things, ask yourself, do I love this? Do I use this? Or does this make me happy? If it's a no, it's time to let it go. Donating or tossing it can create a sense of release and freedom. One in, one out rule. Another technique I love is the one in, one out rule. If you bring something new into your home, let go of something old. Doing so prevents clutter from accumulating. Digital decluttering. Now let's tackle the digital world. Our devices can be sources of mental clutter too. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, organize your files, and clean up your social media. Mindful scheduling. Your schedule is just as important. Practice mindful scheduling. Don't overcommit. Leave space for yourself to breathe and rejuvenate. Finally, create a peaceful space where you can meditate, read, or be still. Make it your sanctuary. So, my friends, decluttering is a transformative journey. It's not just about tidying up. It's about setting your mind free from the chaos and stress. It's about creating space for clarity, creativity, and peace. Remember Gina? She worked with her therapist on decluttering her life. Something beautiful happened as she let go of the physical and mental clutter. She found peace and her mental clarity improved. She started pursuing her passions and her life took a fantastic turn. She realized that decluttering is not just about cleaning up. It's about freeing your mind, reducing stress, and enhancing mental clarity. It's about reclaiming your life. So, if you struggle with clutter, I encourage you to embark on the journey of decluttering for mental clarity. And in doing so, you'll unlock the full potential of your incredible self. Please share this video with someone you think needs to hear today's message. And remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next video. I'll see you next time. Take care.